This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Topstep. First, make sure you have active accounts on both platforms. You'll need to log into your Topstep dashboard to locate the necessary connection information. This integration is fantastic for traders, offering advanced charting capabilities from TradingView directly linked to your Topstep trading account for seamless execution. It streamlines your workflow significantly, saving you valuable time. Next, open your TradingView platform and find the trading panel. From there, you will see a list of available brokers. Look for the option that Topstep supports, typically through a third-party platform like Tradivate or NinjaTrader. Click on it, and then you will be prompted to enter your Topstep account login details. Double-check these credentials to ensure accuracy before proceeding to connect. Once you have entered your credentials, it is crucial to verify the connection. Look for a green or connected status indicator within TradingView's trading panel. To be absolutely sure, consider placing a very small, simulated trade. Then, log into your Topstep account dashboard to confirm that this test trade was received and processed as expected. This step helps prevent any potential issues during live trading. With your account successfully linked, you can now leverage the powerful charting and analysis tools of TradingView directly with your Topstep account. This integration allows you to execute trades with precision, using custom indicators and strategies. Remember to regularly check your connection status to ensure uninterrupted trading. This setup provides a robust and efficient environment for pursuing your trading goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.